is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I own shares of TSLY ETF. It's done pretty well, and I'm very close to breaking even with them despite the price drop. But there's some issues with TSLY, and I've said this before with I call a box theory with TSLY. I'm going to go over that and let me know what you think of this box theory I have where TSLY is potentially going to be at. So again, I still have shares of TSLY, and dividend growth always wins. I use TSLY's passive income to buy dividend growth stocks. I'm not relying on TSLY. I had play money. I put it in there. I got rid of a few stocks and REITs I didn't like. Trying to think. AFC Gamma, I'm pretty sure I threw in the TSLY. I think Medical Properties Trust I threw in the TSLY. I know for a fact that I threw shares of Walgreens into Kroger. I think Medifast I put into TSLY. I think with Ozempic, Medifast is just, they're not doing too well because of that, and it's going to take a while for Medifast to get back to where they were, or maybe they're just getting a correction. So I'm not investing in them. But I'm going to go over a little bit of TSLY, some positives, some negatives, and let me know what you think at this end of the video. So let's check out TSLY right now. For the year range of TSLY, it's sitting at 994. So at the start of about a year ago, it was 1463, then it jumped up to 1819, and now it's down to 994. So with my box theory, one thing that can be a risk of TSLY is a reverse stock split. Hopefully it doesn't get down to that for many people who went all in. And again, I don't go all in with TSLY. Again, dividend growth stocks are way more important, and you shouldn't chase yield. I do chase high yield business development companies. I have Arbor Realty Trust, which is doing really good. You know, its revenue can back up its yield, and it's done very well. So the thing about TSLY is that as I go to the website, I'm going to go over a few things, but I honestly think, and again, I could be totally wrong, that starting with a box, if you see a shape of a box like this, like a little square, I don't see it getting past or getting to the $15 point anymore. I don't see it going below, I'm going to say $7. If it does, whatever. Doesn't bother me. Because again, I use play money for that. And some stocks I didn't want, I threw it into TSLY, and it's done a great job buying my dividend growth stocks. And again, I still own shares, and I'm going to go on etrade, buy shares of TSLY, and use that income of TSLY to fund my N1 finance TSLY. So that way the dividend snowball effect can be in effect with the passive income from the Yieldmax ETFs. So let's go to the website on TSLY. Right here on their website, their distribution rate is 67.18%. The fund strategy will cap its potential gains if TSLA shares increase in value. The fund strategy is subject to all potential losses if TSLA shares decrease in value, which may be offset by the income received by the fund. The fund may not be suitable for all investors. So let's jump to Tesla's price. They were down in the past 6 months 19.29%. So one issue that happened with TSLY that I'm seeing is it was launched really early. And what happened was it started to get at a plateau, and because of TSLY or Tesla's major hit, this is affecting TSLY. This is causing people to panic sell. This is causing people to freak out about TSLY. Now, again, I wouldn't rely on TSLY's income. And in April, it was 82 cents. May was 44 cents. June, it was 80 cents. July, it was 106. August, it was 83. September, it was 58. October, it was 57. November, it was 58. December, it was 60. In January, it was 55 cents. So eventually, people are possibly going to break even. That were people that held the stock and may take a year, 2 years. But again, right now, I don't see them ever breaking this point at 106 and getting to that. I just don't see that. I see the distribution rate potentially. Again, this is all in theory with the box theory of, like I said, with QYLD, because I had a little square box here with the distribution range of QYLD. I said it would never get past 20 or 30 cents with its distribution. It'll never drop down, to, I forget whatever the price is now, but it'll probably never drop to 15 cents. So you're just stuck there. This one, I see potentially, you may hit 30s, probably at worst, maybe 30s for distribution. And at best, maybe 70 at best. So it's probably going to be in this range in the 50s, maybe 40. Again, I would be thrilled even if I got 44 cents because of the price. But the risk is the reverse stock split. They did say there's a risk on that. So that's why I didn't put a lot of money in there. And I do agree because, if you look at USOI was very aggressive with that ETN. I think that's what it is. ETN, that's what it's called. But people are going in there for the income. And they did a reverse stock split. So this one follows Tesla, and Tesla's not doing too well. So that's the issue with TSLY. Am I buying more? Maybe 100. Don't quote me on that, because again, I'm going to reveal to you a business development company, and I apologize, I could not, the power was having issues and I had to save energy on my phone. So I really couldn't text that much. Or it was just the power was having issues and I was at work, and you know, being at work, you can't really be on your phone. You got to see your patients. So I'm going to reveal to you this business development company that I like. I'm going to do it tomorrow, and that is a guarantee that it will be tomorrow. I'm very excited. I want to do this emergency video, and I'm actually going to have a video for you later tonight. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bells so don't miss future videos. Let me know what you think is going to happen with TSLY in the comment section. Take care and have a great Saturday, and I hope you see my video tonight. So make sure you subscribe if you're new watching this video. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. Investing is a huge risk. So you have to make sure you do your due diligence when you invest in stocks, ETFs, anything that you invest in. There's always a risk of losing money. I do own shares of TSLY, and if something drastically happens, I may sell them. I'm not, I use them for passive income to buy dividend growth stocks. I'm not going to rely on them. If you're looking for financial advice, it's best to seek financial advice from somebody certified to give financial advice or a financial advisor. I cannot confirm if I'm long with Yieldmax ETFs, but I do like their passive income for buying me dividend growth stocks. So you take care and have a good one.